John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of NASA Khan. NASA has been with us from 25th of November 2020, and I'm reviewing the account up to the present day of 29th of June 2021. This is a very interesting account because NASA has made a daily gain of 0.04%, a monthly gain of 1.32%, and a drawdown of 1.65%. These are extremely low figures, but the reason why, and I understand, because this trader has been trading for quite a while. Well, I mean quite a while, just over 8 months. But what we have to understand is probably trading at very low volume, hence the reason why the data is very low in terms of percentages. And just to reiterate that point, at the advanced statistics, NASA has actually made 350 trades, and out of the 350 trades, he's won 194 out of 350, which represents a 55% gain. He's lost 156 out of 350, which represents 45%. So 55% of the time, he's very successful. And the total amount of pips he's done today is 695.7. So congratulations and well done. This is a very good achievement. So looking at your gain, let's go back to 2020 of your monthly analytics. You made 0.44 in January when you joined, 2.14%. 2.14%. You made 2.14% in February, 0.91% in March, minus 0.88% in April, and 1.58% in May, and 5.38% in June. So this year has been very good to you, and you've been very consistent. But looking at the 2020 year, November you had 0%, and December 0.03%. So it's been a journey for you, and you've actually excelled on this journey, so congratulations. So looking at a few of your logs, one thing I like, I can see stop losses and take profits very good, and at this current level I can see you've been getting consistent gains, which is good, very well done. But looking at the previous pairs, we can see you've been trading 0.05, 0.01, 0.10. These are all fine pairs and lot sizes. But remember, just like playing chess, small consistent moves will get you the win. So we're trading small consistent pips, we get you to that end game, to your 10%. So try and just take low risk, high reward trades, just like the way you're trading, and you'll be good. The psychological advantage will always help by reading books like Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, or reading other books like The Pattern Trader, or you can look at other books that are available on the internet. On the webinars, I do recommend quite a few books, or you go into your AudaCity community app where you see these recommended books yourself. So network with like-minded traders on the community app, and you definitely improve on your trading, and definitely will not need to be taking hundreds of trades to hit your 10%, because it's all about confidence, and I hope you've got confidence from hitting your first 10%. And I wish you all the best, and congratulations on your achievement.